special message from the National Weather Service. For the following counties in North Carolina, Edgecombe, Halifax, and Nash, the National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flood warning for the Fishing Creek at Enfield from Thursday morning to Sunday morning, or until the warning is canceled. At 9 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 15.4 feet. Flood stage is 16.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage by tomorrow morning and continue to rise to near 16.5 feet by Friday evening. The river will fall below flood stage by Saturday evening. Impact at 16.0 feet. Minor overflow occurs on both banks. The National Weather